Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make steak using an easy method. First, select a quality cut such as a ribeye or sirloin, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving a beautiful crust. Then, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Let your steak sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking to ensure even doneness. Next, we will achieve that perfect pan sear. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, preferably cast iron, over medium-high heat until it is very hot. Add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until a rich, deep brown crust develops. Then, add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few cloves of garlic, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme. Now, let's ensure your steak reaches ideal doneness. Tilt the pan and continuously baste the steak with the melted butter and aromatics for about 1 minute. This infuses incredible flavor. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. For a perfect medium rare, aim for 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to remove the steak from the pan when it is approximately 5 degrees below your desired final temperature. Finally, the crucial step of resting and slicing. Transfer your beautifully cooked steak to a cutting board and tent it loosely with aluminum foil. It is essential to let the steak rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Once rested, slice the steak against the grain into half-inch thick pieces for the best texture. Enjoy your perfectly cooked steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.